Good evening, everyone, and welcome to my Twitch stream. My name is AstroTarotJohn, and I am thrilled to have you here tonight for a very interesting chart of a very famous person. This is the astrological chart of Taylor Swift. And obviously, this is someone who's had a tremendous impact on the entire culture of the world. I mean, she's someone who is absolutely incredible for so many reasons. She's an amazing singer. She's an amazing songwriter. She also has excellent business acumen, which we will refer to in a little while. And she's someone that is well respected in the musical community. So I'm glad you joined me for the chart tonight. One of the things that I did want to start off by talking about is that obviously, as you can see on this chart, that Ms. Swift does actually have a birth time. So 5:17 a.m. is the birth time. Now, if you are interested in astrology and you have looked up this chart before, you may have seen a different time. There are actually two times that are floating around out there for Taylor's birth time. What I want to tell you is that if you see the other one, which I think is 8:36 a.m., that one is not considered to be correct. Astrologers believe that this is the one that is correct, that is the most accurate. So that's why I'm going to be using this one and not the 8:36 time. But I did want to warn you there is another chart, another chart time floating out there somewhere. So if you see it, don't be alarmed. But for tonight, we're going to be looking at the 5:17 a.m. Birth time, as it is considered by astrologers to be the most accurate.